Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The fate of more than 50 direct employees to Alliance Finance Company is still in limbo as the case involving the Alliance principals for breaches of the Proceeds of Crime Act and the Bank of Jamaica Act will be called for mention in January. Now the men appeared in court today. Peter and Robert Chin, principals of Alliance Investment Management and Alliance Finance Services, arriving for their second appearance in court this morning. The men and their attorneys, led by Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson, arrived at the St. Andrew Parish Court about 11:30 a.m. Friday. The Chins, who were charged on December 2 under the Bank of Jamaica Act, the Banking Services Act, and the Proceeds of Crime Act, had their bail extended. Their next court appearance will be on January 10 when the case will be mentioned. But as the matter progresses, uncertainty looms for the Alliance workers and sub-agents, and they are concerned.
I think the timing is wrong. I think that they should have found another way to deal with the entire issue. And I do not think that much concern is given to the people of this country as it relates to not just workers, but the people in general. Reason for that is that customers would come to MoneyGram at this time of the year. It's the busiest season throughout the year for remittances.
This employee thinks how the company was handled in light of the breaches could have been different.
Put them on some monitoring program. Do something, but you cannot continue this way.
It's yet to be seen the true scale of the revocation of the Alliance permits. According to the company's initial public offering prospectus, at the end of 2020, Alliance processed roughly 30% of inbound MoneyGram transactions. And in addition to its 58 direct employees at the time across 5 branches, the company had 66 sub-agents. Another aspect of the business which may have wide implications is the company's prepaid MasterCard. At the end of 2020, 29,000 cards were in circulation with over $1 billion loaded. Not to mention the ePay launch card system used by many companies across Jamaica. The BOJ said those with balances on the card can use them until they're complete. At the same time, there are some persons who are paid via the medium who may be in limbo. And of course, we will continue tracking that story as it develops. Now let's head to the currency market. Authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $154.65. $121.06 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $207.14 for the pound. And the euro is trading at an average $176.78. The JSE index advanced by 719 points, while the junior market index lost 27 points. Advancing today were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, iCreate Limited and Caribbean Producers Jamaica, while on the losing side were 138 Student Living Jamaica, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Berger Paints, Access Financial Services and Stanley Motor. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.